Hello students, I Jay Khatri from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. Today we are going to start fourth chapter of computer, that is inserting images and creating list in HTML. In this video, I will explain you concept of HTML, basic tags which are used in HTML, types of tag and concept of attributes. First of all, I will explain you what do we mean by HTML. Full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a language which is used for creating web pages or websites. Now I will explain you what do you mean by web page. Every page of website is called web page, and first page of any website is called home page, and collection of web pages is called website. By using HTML, we can create our own website also. As the HTML is very easy language for creating web pages or website, so it can be learned in few hours or few days. Tags are the reserved words which are used in HTML file. With the help of tags, we can set the format of the text and elements used in the file. In HTML language, all of the files are written using the tags. Even starting of the HTML file is done by the HTML tag only and end with /HTML tag. Generally, there are two types of tags in HTML. First is container tag and second is standalone tag. Container tag. A tag is said to be a container if it has a companion tag. For example, B tag. It contains companion tag /B. Standalone tag, or you can say empty tag also. A tag is said to be a standalone tag or empty tag if it does not have a companion tag. For example, BR tag. BR full form of BR is break row. Now I will explain you some basic tags which are used in HTML. First tag is HTML tag. HTML tag is used to define the HTML document. Now second is head tag. Head tag is used to define the information about the document. Now third is title tag. Title tag is used to define the document title. Fourth tag is body tag. It is used to define the document's body. Fifth tag is p tag. P tag is used to define a paragraph. Sixth tag is br tag. It is used to insert a single line break. Seventh tag is HR tag. It is used to insert a horizontal rule. The HR tag has no end tag. It means it is an example of empty tag. Now I will explain you heading tags. Heading tags are used to define the labels of the headers. There are 6 types of heading tags: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. You can see one example of heading tags. In this example we have used all types of heading tags from H1 to H6. You can see the output of the heading tags. Now I will explain you physical style tags. B. B contains text to be rendered in bold. I. I tag contains text to be rendered in italic. U tag. U tag contains text to be rendered with an underline. You can see structure of HTML program. First we have to write HTML tag, then heading tag, then title tag, then body tag. In between body tag, we will write our document. And in between title tag, we will write title of our document. Now I will explain you what is attributes. Attributes define additional characteristics or properties of the element, such as width and height of an image. Attributes are always specified in the start tag and usually consist of name value pairs, like name equals to in double quotation marks value. Attributes value should always be enclosed in quotation marks. In this diagram you can see attributes of some tags. Attributes of body tag are BG color, background, text, left margin and top margin. Attribute of P tag is align. Attributes of font tag are face, color and size. Attributes of HR tag are color, align, no shade, size and width. Attribute of heading tag is align. So dear students, I hope you understood the concept of HTML language, HTML tags, types of tags, some basic tags which are used in HTML and concept of attributes. In next video, I will explain you how we can insert image in HTML and how we will create list in HTML. Thank you.